in the fast-paced world we live in, the roads have become an essential part of our daily lives. Whether commuting to work, running errands, or taking a leisurely drive, we all share the responsibility of ensuring safe and responsible driving. Unfortunately, road collisions are all too common, and the legal implications can be complex and overwhelming. In this comprehensive video, we'll delve into the intricacies of road collision cases, exploring the rights and liabilities of the various parties involved. From operators and owners to drivers and passengers, we'll unpack the critical Supreme Court decisions that have shaped the legal landscape in the Philippines. By understanding these landmark cases, you'll be better equipped to protect your rights and navigate the challenges that may arise if you were ever involved in a road collision. The roads in the Philippines are bustling with a diverse array of vehicles, each with its own role and responsibilities. Operators, who facilitate the transportation of passengers and goods, have a duty to ensure the safety of their passengers and the public. Owners, whose names are registered on the vehicle's documents, share a legal liability for any incidents involving their property. Drivers, the individuals who operate these vehicles, bear the primary responsibility for their actions behind the wheel. Passengers, too, have specific rights when it comes to their safety and the duty of care owed to them by the operators and drivers. These complex relationships and responsibilities are often tested when road collisions occur, leading to legal battles that can have far-reaching consequences.
Over the years, the Supreme Court of the Philippines has played a crucial role in interpreting and applying the laws governing road collision cases. Through its rulings, the court has established important doctrines and principles that have shaped the understanding of negligence, liability, and the rights of all parties involved. In this video, we will explore several landmark Supreme Court decisions that have become essential references for understanding the legal implications of road collisions. By delving into these cases, you'll gain valuable insights that can help you navigate the complex world of road collision litigation, should you ever find yourself in a similar situation. Operators' rights and liabilities. One of the key Supreme Court decisions we'll examine is the case of Narciso Gutierrez versus Manuel Gutierrez, Abelardo Velasco, and Saturnino Cortez. This case highlights the rights and responsibilities of operators in road collision incidents. The Supreme Court held that operators of motor vehicles have the right to navigate the roads, but they also have a corresponding duty to ensure the safety of their passengers and the public. They are liable for the actions of their drivers and must exercise due diligence in selecting and supervising them. In the event of a collision, operators may face both civil and criminal liabilities. In the Narciso Gutierrez case, the court found the operator, the driver, and the vehicle's owner jointly and severally liable for the injuries sustained by a passenger in the collision. This decision underscores the importance of operators' accountability and the need for comprehensive safety measures when transporting passengers.
Owners' rights and liabilities. Moving on, we'll explore the case of the tragic collision in Tal, Batangas, which resulted in the deaths of 3 passengers and serious injuries to 2 others. This case delves into the rights and liabilities of vehicle owners. The Supreme Court ruling in this case established that registered owners of motor vehicles involved in collisions are jointly and severally liable with the drivers for damages incurred by passengers or third persons. This liability arises from the ownership of the vehicle, and owners have the right to be indemnified by the actual drivers. The court also emphasized the doctrine of presumption of negligence in carrier contracts, which places a high burden on carriers to ensure passenger safety. Even minor negligence, such as improper parking, can lead to significant legal repercussions for carriers, highlighting their duty to maintain the highest standards of safety and prudence. Owners' rights and liabilities. Moving on, we'll explore the case of the tragic collision in Tal, Batangas, which resulted in the deaths of 3 passengers and serious injuries to 2 others. This case delves into the rights and liabilities of vehicle owners. The Supreme Court ruling in this case established that registered owners of motor vehicles involved in collisions are jointly and severally liable with the drivers for damages incurred by passengers or third persons. This liability arises from the ownership of the vehicle, and owners have the right to be indemnified by the actual drivers. The court also emphasized the doctrine of presumption of negligence in carrier contracts, which places a high burden on carriers to ensure passenger safety. Even minor negligence, such as improper parking, can lead to significant legal repercussions for carriers, highlighting their duty to maintain the highest standards of safety and prudence.
Drivers' rights and liabilities. Next, we'll examine the case of De Leon Brokerage versus Angeline Steen, which delves into the rights and liabilities of drivers. This case reaffirms the principle of respondeat superior, which holds employers responsible for the actions of their employees performed within the scope of their employment. The Supreme Court found the employer, De Leon Brokerage, solidarily liable with its employee, Augusto Luna, for the damages awarded to the injured passenger, Angeline Steen. This decision underscores the fact that drivers have a right to operate motor vehicles on public roads, but they are also responsible for doing so with due care and attention. Negligent driving can result in both criminal and civil liabilities. The case also highlighted the employer's defense of due diligence in supervision, which was not adequately proven by De Leon Brokerage, leading to their liability. This emphasizes the importance of proper employee selection and supervision for employers who entrust their vehicles to drivers. Passengers' rights. Finally, we'll explore the case of visitation or Rebulton, et.al. v. Spouses Edmundo Dagon, et.al., which sheds light on the rights of passengers in road collision cases. The Supreme Court's ruling in this case affirmed that passengers have the right to be transported safely to their destination. In the event of an accident, they have the right to claim damages against the operator and/or driver of the vehicle they were riding in, based on either a breach of contract or quasi-delict. The court also clarified that the negligence of one driver does not bar a passenger from claiming damages, as long as the passenger had no control over the vehicle's operation. This decision emphasizes the importance of passenger safety and the responsibility of all parties involved in ensuring a safe journey.
Conclusion: by delving into these landmark Supreme Court decisions, we have gained a comprehensive understanding of the rights and liabilities of the various parties involved in road collision cases. From operators and owners to drivers and passengers, each entity has a crucial role to play in ensuring the safety of our roads. As we navigate the complexities of the legal landscape, it's essential to remember that the actions we take behind the wheel can have far-reaching consequences. By staying informed and vigilant, we can all contribute to a safer and more responsible driving culture in the Philippines. If you found this video informative and would like to learn more about navigating road legal cases, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll continue to bring you in-depth analyses of relevant Supreme Court decisions and provide valuable insights to help you protect your rights and safeguard your well-being on the roads. Remember, knowledge is power, and by understanding the legal implications of road collisions, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and take the necessary precautions to keep yourself and your loved ones safe. Subscribe now and stay tuned for more essential information that can make a difference in your daily life.